Okay, it's December 8th, just about noon, and I've spent a good part of this morning fitting the pieces back together, kind of to see if our lengths, this is the top part, the top segment, or the piece of pipe in the middle, is where I kind of taped some of the pieces together. This is the top segment. I just brought up here to see if there was a chance I made a mistake. I had to get my orientation marked correctly, and so step one is cutting off. This is a 26'4" segment. So I took a 20-foot segment and I added 6'4" to it. If you notice, the lines, the lettering is continuous. This is what I've used in the past, and I was having a difficult time trying to identify on the old pipe, since this pipe over here has been around quite a long time. It turns out there's the lettering. It was in the actual T itself. And so what I'm doing now is I'm marking. I had actually this little piece of pipe here, this collar, this is for the stabilizers. I need a little extra beef. So I noticed that on one of the fractures on the other pipe, that this broke loose, and it didn't look like I had very good adhesion. So even though it looks dirty as can be, it's the same exact diameter of pipe, but it's 6 inches wide. I cut a slit in it. I use actual primer and some gray glue, which gives us a little better setup time. We actually put glue on both sides. The collar is actually created over here, spread with a couple clamps, and we slide it all the way down and let it fit together. Right now it's curing. Once it's done curing and we've had lunch, then I'm going to actually get started drilling some holes. So this is the bottom segment. I'm hoping to actually see if I can't get the bottom segment recreated today. So after this segment, I think I'm going to do the top, and I'm going to do it a little bit differently in the event that by the way, typical failures when the pipe collapses, meaning the top tips over, the center pipe fails dramatically. I guess that's the easiest way. The whole pipe folds almost over on itself to where the top is almost hitting the ground, and then the arch flies apart dramatically. The last time this happened was in 2011, and when it did, there are hundreds of little pieces of plastic scattered at least 100 feet, and there's about 3 feet of pipe I can't find. So anyway, I just thought I would document this first part before I move on to drilling holes and getting the stabilizer set up.